First, we want to open up the cabinet, look and see where the cold water supply line from the existing faucet is hooked up. Turn off the water. It might be better to put like a washcloth or a towel or something underneath, because you will get some water that will come up from the existing faucet. Remove the faucet water line from the water supply. Then you want to take the recommended angle stop, hook that up to your water valve. Once that is hooked up to your water valve, take the existing water hose from your faucet and hook that to the top of the angle stop. Once we get the valve in place, get your water line hooked back up to your faucet. We will remove either you would want to remove a soap dispenser or the faucet, the spray valve. If you don't have either one of those, then you would want to get somebody out there to drill an 1.25 inch hole to receive the faucet, the new faucet. So when you put it back into the hole that is supplied either by the sprayer valve, the soap dispenser, or the hole that you had drilled in, be sure to put the rubber gasket between the faucet and your counter. Put it in the hole, go underneath your sink, put the wing nut back on, and tighten it back up. Secure it back onto your counter so you don't have any wiggle. Once you have that in place, you will attach this to the orange, this to the blue, and then this will plug into here. All of these will be hooked up to the machine. Once everything is hooked up, these are the ends that you will have going into the machine. This will be your discharge, this will be your intake, and this will be plugged into the machine to work the faucet. Next, you want to hook up the supply line that came with your ionizer. This is the filter that will filter the water before it comes into the unit. If at any time you start feeling the water getting a little sluggish coming out, just remove this line and clean the filter. These two valves, they will have little caps on them when you get the unit, when you pull the unit out of the box. You just compress this and pull the caps out. So this is your intake line. This will get plugged into the supply that we just put on. This is your output. This gets connected to the bottom of the unit. This is your electrical supply line. This is what controls your faucet up top. The blue line is your output line to your faucet. Press that into the unit. Be sure that everything is in order, so we're not pinching anything. Plug in the unit. Turn on your supply.